A warm-up is the stage to prepare the body and the mind for the exercises. It's really very much important before we start any kind of workout routine. So after a compact warm-up session of at least 1 minute, today I'm going to start my exercises for the leg. So let's start today's leg routine. The very first exercise of my leg routine is squat. It really improves digestion, it tones the entire body and improves the flexibility too. Sumo squat is really very much helpful for toning up our inner thighs. It tones it up very fast with only 10 repetitions each day. Jumping jacks is not only good for legs, it's a compact body cardio too. Walking lunges is another easy type of exercise which is basically for legs. It helps to increase the flexibility and tighten up the hips and hamstring. During walking lunges, we need to feel the stretch as much as we can do on our shin bone as well. Here another very easy form of exercise for legs, that is a side squat. We need to stretch our body and move to one side, then go to another side. While we are performing that squat, we need to hold our body balance and perform it with equal number of times on both sides. Among the 10 exercises of our leg routine today, this is the easiest one, the standing side leg raise. Here we will be holding our position straight and raising our leg as much as we can do on each side. This one is really very challenging, wall sit. It works on entire lower portion of our body, our glutes and the hamstring muscles too. This exercise has got really very interesting name. It's Bulgarian split squats. The first thing that we need to keep in the mind while we are performing it, same number of times we need to do with our both the legs. It's a kind of body weight exercise as well, and it not only focuses on the hamstrings, it focuses on our glute muscles too, and it's really very challenging to perform. It's a kind of frog jump doing on alternate legs while we are sitting. Now finally we have come to our last exercise of the leg routine, the standing calf raises. Basically in this exercise we need to raise our calf at least for 30 to 40 times as we can do. And there are variations for doing this exercise. So as you can see, I have done with 2 different variations of the calf raises. Please like, share and comment on my video. Please do subscribe my channel, and I always say stay strong, stay fit.